All right, today we're going to work on 43 minus 27. We're going to move this problem over here to our work mat, where 43 is 4 tens and 3 ones. And we are going to subtract 27, which is 2 tens and 7 ones. All right, so we're going to be looking for the difference between 27 and 43. When we start to subtract, we're going to begin in the ones place. As you can see right here, in the number 43, we have 3 ones. So we have 1, 2, 3 ones. And we want to take away 7 ones, which we're unable to do with only our 3 ones. So we are going to have to regroup. In order to do that, we're going to look at some base 10 blocks. So let's take out our 43, 10, 20, 30, 40, and then we already have our 3 right here. And we need to take away 27. So let's start in our ones place where we have our 3 ones over here, but we need to be able to take away 7 ones. So what we're going to do is we're going to have to regroup. So as you can see here, where we have a 10, we're going to have to regroup that 10 for 10 ones. Unfortunately, I'm unable to break this apart, or I would just break this apart into 10 ones. But we're going to delete that 10, and we're going to bring over 10 ones in its place. So we've regrouped a 10 for 10 ones. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here's the 10. So we still have 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43. So we still have the same amount of 43. And now we need to take away 27 or subtract 27. So let's start back in our ones place. Let me get these so we can tell that that's a 10. We have 3 ones. Now we have 13 ones because we regrouped a 10 to 10 ones. And we need to take away 7 ones. So we're going to take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. And then if we move to the tens place, we need to take away 2 tens. So we're going to take away 1, 2 tens. As you can see, this is what is left. So we have 1 10, we have 1 10, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. And 6 ones. So our answer is 16. There's another way that we can look at this. Let's look at this on a number line. Let's see if I can get some of this erased. Take just a second. All right, so actually I think I want to use, let's look at a plain background so I can draw my own, let's look at a blank mat so that I'm able to draw my own number line. And let's look at this on the number line where we can once again find the difference between the 2 numbers. All right, I think that'll give us enough room. So if we draw this on a number line, there's our number line. And I know that I'm trying to get here, which is going to be our 27. And the distance to here, which is going to be our 43. So we are trying to find the difference. We're trying to find the distance between the two numbers. So I know that I can start at 27, and I know I can go up 10. Let's say this is about 10 here. So if I jump from 27 and I jump 10 more, this is going to give me 37. So that was 10. And I also know going from 37 to 40 is 3. And I know going from 40 to 43 is 3. So if I have 3 and 3, which is 6, and 10 and 6 gives me the same answer I got before, which is 16. So that's another way that we can find the difference between 27 and 43. All right, I'd like to show one more way. The more comfortable you become with your base 10, the easier it becomes to play with the numbers. So let me show you one more way, if I can get a clear mat. Make some room again. All right, so another way that I know I can find the difference between 27 and 43 is to think of the number 27. And I know 27 is almost 30. It's 3 away from 30. And I know in order to get from 30 to 43, I'm going to go 13. And so since I went from 27 to 30 was 3, and then 13 more makes 43, then I know the difference is 16. So that's another way that I can play with the numbers to determine the difference.